Hello and welcome. This is sandwich called how to make a peanut butter, a grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich. First thing you gotta do is get the butter. You spread it on the one of each slice of bread, and you put the butter away, and then you get a knife. You get the peanut butter. Spread the peanut butter. Okay, go here. And now, go peel the banana. And after that, go here. Cut the banana. And then after that, you put the banana slices together. Then after that, put the peanut butter back in the cupboard. And then, after that, put the banana peel in the compost. And after that, rinse the knife and put it in the sink. Wash my hands first so my hands don't smell like peanut butter, butter, or banana. Dry them well. And after that, we plug in to put it to sandwich and put to OK, and then you let it settle. You let it only when it's ready to grill. Okay. Okay. That and oh. Almost ready. Just a couple more minutes till it's fully grilled. Squish flat, crunchy on the outside. So it tastes good. Okay, I guess it's ready. And here is your grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich. Enjoy, folks, and have a great late afternoon. Thank you for watching and have a good one.